Hi beautiful non-nations, welcome back to my channel. This is your igboticnono. Please, if you just clicked on this video right now, it's a sign that you have to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, in today's video, one of my last video, because I don't know when this video is going up, was a video where I talked about things in the kitchen, like practically, and someone said, or more than one person said, that they love this method of learning. Remember, I'm here to teach you guys, so most times it's what you guys like or want is what I do, right? So today's lesson is a lesson that goes that way, because I have to be combining these things, like do this type, do this type, do this type, and it all balances. And today's video, we're going to be doing practically things you have in your bathroom in Igbo language. So right now, I woke up not too long ago. I'm in my kids' room. I woke up not too long ago, and I'm just gonna go into the bathroom right away and show you guys what we have in the bathroom and what they are in Igbo language. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'm gonna say it again, subscribe, because it's your subscription that keeps me going. Like I said, aside the fact I enjoy what I'm doing. So let's go.
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Ta-da! So guys, I'm in the bathroom right now, and I'm going to be showing you guys what we have in the bathroom, right? And we have here what we call this in Igbo language is obo. Like, be it this style or this style or this style, it doesn't matter. It's called obo. Put your soap and you scrub your body. So this is called obo. And for my ladies in the building, so this is, in English, it's called shower cap, right? But in Igbo, it's just called basically ife eji ekpuchisi. Ife eji ekpuchisi. Ife eji ekpuchisi. Ekpuchisi. That's what it's called. So this is called ncha ajasaru. Ncha ajasaru. Remember, they have ncha ajasefere, right? But this is ncha eji asaru. It does not matter if it's for plates or for body. It's just a general name. Ncha ajasaru. And this one is, whether it's liquid soap or a bar soap, general name is ncha ajasaru. This is liquid soap for bathing, so it's also ncha eji asaru. If you like, you say ncha mmiri, soap water. Ncha mmiri, soap water. So they are basically ncha. Igbo is not difficult, just one name. You've covered everything you want to say, just only one name. And this is ude aho. Ude aho, be it for babies, but this one is for my kids. I have no baby. Be it for kids or for adults, ude. Every cream is called ude. I usually love to leave this in the bathroom so that when they finish having their baths, they dry their body, and I quickly wear them their lotion, because I don't want their skin to dry out. So I usually leave this in the bathroom. That is why it's here and not in the room. Mine is in the room. I also have mine, another in the bathroom. Understand? Yes. So we continue. This is toothbrush for adults. Ntatu. Or you can say ife eji asa eze. Ife eji asa eze. Be it electric or anyone, all of them are the same thing. This is electric, but it does not matter if it's electric, but ife eji asa eze, whether electric or none. whether battery use or not. This ifeji aseze. This is paste. Paste. This is paste. Paste is called ntu brush. Ntu brush. This is for rinsing your mouth. Most times it's people that wear braces that use this, but it's for rinsing your mouth. So it's called ifeji achuchu eze. Ifeji achuchu ono, because you can also put it in between your teeth. So it's ifeji achuchu ono or ifeji achuchu eze. And for my ladies in the building, this is ifeji asa ihu. Ifeji asa ihu. Ifeji asa ihu. Your face, for washing your face. Ifeji asa ihu. And towel is aqua mfiche aru. Aqua mfiche aru. When you finish bathing, you dry your body. It's called aqua mfiche aru. Aqua mfiche aru. So guys, I don't want this lesson to be too long because I don't want to overwhelm you. It's usually better to learn this bit by bit. So basically what I just showed you now are the very important things in the bathroom. Ifaja chuchueze, ifaja seze, nchaja saro, ude anete na ahu, ude cream, ude ahu. That I showed you guys, ude ahu, ude anete na ahu. Does not matter if it's for adults or for kids. They all have general name, ude ahu. And I showed you aqua mfiche aro, aqua mfiche aro towel for drying out the water on your body, and ubu. And I showed you guys this one, ubu ajasaho, ubu ajasaho. Be it any stylish kind of ubu it should be. It has a general name, ubu. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I know you're enjoying it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.